Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I love my mechanical keyboard, but we are kind of paycheck to paycheck. There's no cash flow until we sell this house, so it doesn't make a lot of sense to have a $500 keyboard when my old one is perfectly functional. Let's do some research on if we can actually sell this thing. Okay, so according to Google AI, the best place to sell is this Reddit mechmarket for custom and enthusiast boards. There is a lot of information to read through, so we will go ahead and start doing that, but let's get ready to take some pictures. Good thing I am a hoarder and kept the original boxes. Hopefully that helps with resale. Wanted to take everything apart to show the inside, make sure everything is legitimate, nothing is fake here. Took our photos. We are still fostering Haley, but we are gonna give her back soon. Let's go make our post on Reddit. That was kind of a lot of work. They're very strict with the title here. I messed up the formatting a couple of times and it was automatically deleted. Not a big deal, just repost it. The photos are linked to Imgur and named timestamp. We're gonna try to sell for 600. We will see what happens. It's been about 4 or 5 days. I think that's reasonable timing. I feel like if this sells too fast, I probably price too low. And then if it never sells, price too high. The only problem is this person is in Canada. So I'm gonna pack everything up, put it in a box, take it to the post office and see how much the shipping is. I think I'm okay covering a $50 to $100 shipping cost, but she did say she's gonna help cover some if the international shipping's pretty expensive. Let's pack. Just got back from the post office. They said I need to fill out this customs paperwork and that shipping from California to Toronto is gonna cost $100. I just texted her I'm okay covering that cost because I originally listed for 600. I really want 500, so that $100 shipping cost is perfect. I'm a little sad to let this go because I really enjoy this hobby. I love this mechanical keyboard. Maybe I'll get into it again in the future, but I think it is meant to be because when I was driving around, I found this perfectly sized box, AFC soft tofu, good job. These two pieces just fit into here perfectly, so I'm gonna take this as a sign from the universe that we are supposed to sell it. Gonna wait for the PayPal money and then ship it. We got the tracking number, should be good on our end. The subreddit is very strict to use the PayPal goods and services. I think that protects the buyer and the seller. The customs was a little confusing, so I did Google AI it, and it's said to be as detailed as possible. So I wrote use mechanical keyboard, plastic keycaps, USB cable, rough estimate on how much each thing's cost. Definitely a very expensive hobby. I'm glad to simplify things a little bit. This keyboard is perfectly functional. I'm happy to get a little cash for it. I think the resale was decent. I'm gonna try to find my original purchase prices. I definitely took a hit from from buying those new. I'm gonna link the pictures in the outro and just to give you guys an idea of how expensive this hobby is. But video 371 done.